16th of April 2024. I'm sitting in the long. Bought it. Pullback here. I added somewhere here in this push. That's my average position right now.
Order cancelled.
And what we're looking for is, well, at least push into that high. Possibly we're gonna push even here. So I'm thinking I might take off half of my position here and keep the rest. We'll see how the liquidity looks like.
Order submitted.
We got time, obviously. It's only 8:37. This is pre-market. We can chop around here for a while. If we drop lower, I might add. If I push higher, so I can, start scalping a little bit around here. ES has got plenty of liquidity to go higher. 20, 22, 25. We're trading 16s right now. So even, I would say 125. That's like a, maybe at the open we can push here. But I don't want to keep this into the open. We have 1 hour till open, so.
The Financial Times reports
Just
that the
gonna-
EU weighs on expanded Iran sanctions following the Israel attack. So some European
I'm gonna close
governments
probably when
calls the designated
ES hits
revolutionary guards as a terrorist
25.
organisation.
So it's another 7 points here on ES. Nasdaq still has got some space as well. We got some liquidity here at 30.
We have posted out the FT piece on the feed for anybody interested.
We could actually take the whole thing and then wait for a little pullback. As usual, there will be a front running here, so I'm gonna close it a little bit early. It's already happening. Do I want to sit in this? Because this will most likely pull back a little bit. Maybe 920. Yeah, Nasdaq likes those 20s and 80s. Like a 920 would be perfect. It's tempting to grab this 500. We had a big drop yesterday. A lot of shorts was getting short at the end of the day. I think they're gonna be squeezed today. They will be squeezed. Alright, I'm gonna take one here.
Order
My
cancelled.
second entry is here. It's a bit close, but I chased it a little bit when the push happened. 920. Let's just take this and see it, because I changed my mind a little bit right now, as you can see, because we have, this is 841 and market will most likely chop around here. I don't know, we'll see. If not, around 500 quid. Sorry, $500 before the start, which is always a nice thing. But I would like this to drop somewhere 95. There you go. So basically I will be stopped on that.
Iran's deputy oil
On that
minister
position,
in the
then
statement says
I
that all
prefer to
countries
take
and players need to adhere to the principles of
$140
non-harm
out of
to
it.
energy
160
producers
was
to ensure stability.
Let's wait.
Iran's deputy oil minister adds that we take into account the interests of our allies.
Still 1 hour. Anything can happen. Market likes to fluctuate. But not always. Somebody is trying to catch this at 92. Yeah, just to go and grab that 5-minute liquidity. We'll have a 15-minute liquidity as well. I just switched this to 15 minutes. So we can watch that properly. One, two, three. Yeah, that will be that's a 15-minute liquidity down here. So if we look at this, if I switch to 1 hour, yes, the massive drop. I'm actually going to, let's just go with 4 hours, really, so you can see. We close the gap. We have closed the gap, but not during the day. We done it overnight to the tick, because the bottom tick is, let's quickly have a look, 91. So yeah, 91 that we close the gap, but it's not a gap close because it didn't happen during the day. So massive drop yesterday. Sorry, 15 minutes. A lot of shorts. Look at this. A lot of shorts. The POC drop to this level. 863. We have plenty of shorts. That's pretty much where the buy side liquidity is. About that volume profile up here. What we're gonna do, we'll try to push this and take these shots out. These are single prints. We got a fair value gap. You know, fair value gaps, half of them can be easily taken. So we are trading already here. 9:15. Yeah. So we just got a bit too early with taking profit, but $500. That's not a bad start. So. If we look at market internals,
10 minutes time now at 8:55.
then you can see that yesterday was selling, day before was selling. Let's just switch to RTH. Selling. So 1, 2, 3 days of selling. We might get like a relief rally today. Tested bottom. 18,000, perhaps 18,000. And then maybe continuation, who knows, tomorrow, maybe even today, come back to close this gap. That's possible. So I'm looking for, let's buy side liquidity here on electronic data. This is ES. Let's see here. Have they taken it? That's what I'm interested. Have they taken it? No, they haven't. They have time. They can buy more. They have not taken it. it's a double top. And people are front running it. So I think at the open we might just stay in this range. Stay in this range as well for a while. There is always a risk that we might go down there and close the gap. But by looking at that, we've done it once. We came back down one more time. So they have collected that.
The TASS site in
I'm
the
thinking we're going to go
Middle
up.
East is Iran's Raisi told Putin that Iran is not interested in further
A
escalation
band
in the
is
Middle East.
stretched too much and some kind of relief rally. Pretty swift to take all the shorts out, squeeze them. So 18,000 on ES. Similar story. Really fair value gap. We could go to 150, even 150. So that would be my plan for today. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. And I will see you at the open in 42 minutes. Take care.